Welcome back, Demon Hunters. Today's transformation is one of the most powerful magical creatures ever, the Griffin. Together, they become true mythical warriors. Are you ready to experience their strongest forms yet? Let's begin. The Griffin Edition. Guess whose romantic voice is melting hearts? The answer is Romance Saja. K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Would you rather fight beside Mira or Jinu? Like for Mira, comment for Jinu. Can you guess who's singing this sweet lullaby? The answer is Rumi. K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Inu. Yes or no? Is Zoe the funniest member? Like for yes, comment for no. Guess the powerful voice behind this chorus. The answer is Mira. K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Choose one. Abby Saja's Healing Primal or Celine's Wings of Light. Like for Abby Saja. Who's making the stage shake with her voice? The answer is Zoe. K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Who is the leader? A. Mira. B. Jinu. C. Romance Saja. Like for Mira? Guess who's rapping with so much fire?
Why are you so late? 50,000 fans.
The answer is Bobby.
Why are you so late? 50,000 fans are
K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Would you rather listen to Huntrix or Saja Boys? Like for Huntrix, comment for Saja Boy. Whose harmony is ruling the crowd tonight? The answer is Saja Boys. K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Yes or no? Baby Saja is the mascot. Like for yes, comment for no. Guess the dark, mysterious voice. Who is it? The answer is Huntrix. K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition.
Let the past be the past till it's weightless.
Take
down, I'ma take you out and it ain't gonna stop. 정신을 놓고 날 밟고 칼을 새겨.
Choose one. Sword, Jinu, or voice, Mira. Like for Jinu's sword. Comment for Mira's voice. Who's singing with golden high notes?
Oh, you're the man.
The answer is golden.
Oh, you're the master of illusion.
K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Who sang Shadows Break? A. Huntrix. B. Demons. C. Saja Boys. Like for Huntrix, comment for Demons, share for Saja Boys. Can you guess the soft, healing voice?
Every drop I drink up.
The answer is Abby Saja.
Every drop I drink up. You're my soda pop.
K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Would you rather uncover Mystery Saja or Golden Secrets? Like for Mystery Saja, comment for Golden. Whose tiny, playful voice is this?
I'm gonna make it hit the spot. Every little drip and drop fizz.
The answer is Baby Saja.
I'm gonna make it hit the spot. Every little drip and drop fizz and pop. So I'm told that it's getting hot.
K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Yes or no? Demons perform metal songs. Like for yes, comment for no. Guess who's growling in this powerful track?
Keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed.
The answer is Demons.
Keeping you in check, keeping you obsessed. Play me on repeat, good up she in your head.
K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Can you guess the secretive voice of Shadows?
지금 당장 don't know nothing.
The answer is Mystery Saja.
지금 당장 don't know.
K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition. Guess whose deep voice is leading the team? The answer?
Let the past be the past till it's weightless. Face it. Let the past be the past till it's weightless.
K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition.
Do whatever, 'cause my die, living the time, trying to start a better. Do whatever, 'cause my die, living the time, trying to start a better. Bleeding isn't in my blood, that's a good thought.
K-pop Demon Hunter Warrior Characters Griffin Edition.